Okay, so your answer, just to check yourself, should be about 0.89 or 0.9, something close to this. The full number is this, but it should look something like that for your sake. All right. Now, I'm reintroducing algebra because this is one of the few equations where you're going to need to know how to rearrange problems. So first step, let's read through the problem. A 10 meter per second is your initial velocity. 6 meters per second is your final velocity. The acceleration is given right here, but this time we're asking for displacement instead of acceleration. So it's a little trickier. Not too much trickier, but tricky nonetheless. So VI is equal to 10, VF is equal to 6, A is equal to -8. I'm rushing through this so that I give you enough time to actually work and not spam you with 50 million videos. Okay, so we know our equation from before is written like this. A is equal to VF squared minus VI squared divided by 2 delta D. Now the tricky thing here is we're not solving for A, but we're solving for delta D. So here's a quick shortcut. If you see a letter down here, this variable down here, and you need to solve for it, all you gotta do is switch it with whatever is on the left side of the equal sign right here. Well, in general, whatever is on the other side of the equal sign. So in order to solve for it, you just do 2 times A, and then we plug things in. Delta D is equal to, this time be careful, the smaller number is in front, the bigger number is at the end. So I'm going to pause it, do the math, then come right back. Okay, plugged it in just to double check myself, and the answer is 4 meters for your displacement. That's what this is equal to. Okay, so I want you to work through the next problem real quick on your own, and you should be able to do this. Remember how to switch the A and the delta D. That's all you gotta do. Just switch them. I'm not gonna ask you for the other ones, even though I could. I'm not gonna, because it gets a little bit more, how shall I say, diabolical for those. So work through this problem. I'll give you the answer, and we have one last thing, and then you're good to go.